I am so confused right now. Is that a man dressed as Wonder Woman? Or is Wonder Woman really a man?
Or is Wonder Woman just as a man?
I just came back from work, and I'm just on my work break. But when I came in, my wife surprised me with a package that we got, and I think nobody knows what it is. Well, none of you know what it is, but I know what it is, and I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna unbox this real quick. I'm gonna open it up for you guys, so enjoy. So the first thing you have to do when you buy a brand new phone,
Been looking for these forever.
so the first thing you do when you buy a brand new phone, obviously, is buying a good case. We're trying to see if we could find a case for the phone, and so far, I have no luck. This phone's supposed to come out on Friday, I think, and we got it early today, so chances are there's no case for it, so we'll see. So being such a new phone, there's not really a lot of options in terms of case that you could buy. So we ended up buying the ugliest phone case ever. Like seriously. It's hideous. Like I really don't like this case at all. But it's an emergency, and this phone's actually for my wife, and she has she has devastated every single phone I've ever bought her in her entire life, ever. So this is an emergency. I could have probably gotten this in Amazon or Wish for way less than what I paid, but this is how desperate I am to get protection for this phone.
Ugliest phone case?
Yeah, I mean, it's not. Yeah, it is that ugly. I'm sorry. sounds really good. So we've been testing out a couple of features of the phone. We've been trying the AR emojis. We've been trying out the camera with every setting that it has. One thing that I love about this camera, it's that you can take a wide angle picture with the selfie camera. And it does this thing where you have to swipe left and right. So it automatically makes the wide angle picture. It doesn't have a wide angle front camera lens, but it makes the picture wide angle. So I think that's pretty cool. The AR emojis, I like them. I think it's a cool concept, a cool idea, but to be honest, most of the time that you're using it, it just feels kind of weird. Compared to the iPhone X's Animojis, they flow really seamlessly, as opposed to the AR emojis, they just don't feel as responsive. The picture quality though, it is amazing. The low light settings on this phone, it's crazy. So first impressions, I am liking this phone. I'm kind of jealous that it's not my phone, and I think that even though I love Apple and I tend to lean towards Apple a bit more, I think this phone is a great step to making me like Samsung phones more and more each day.